Oh, Shea Water Cafe.
Yes.
Okay. You guys are with Shami here.
Yes, yes.
We're here in Victoria Falls.
Yes.
Enjoying ourselves in Victoria Falls.
Yes, enjoying ourselves in Victoria Falls. So
Yes.
today, guys, we are going to give you the content. Very nice content.
Yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll be talking about okay, I was talking about the source of Zambezi, right?
Yes, you're talking about the
Then
source of
the source
Zambezi.
of Zambezi is in Mwinlunga.
Okay.
That is Zambia.
All right.
I'm not in.
Maybe you are the one who's supposed to hold the camera because I'm short.
Yes, I'm sure. Yes. Not to go again.
Yeah, you're coming out.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's in Mwinilunga, Zambia.
Okay.
As I said, 2,700 kilometers from its source to its mouth. That is in Indian Ocean. So as I said, it's dammed twice. Kariba.
All right.
And Cabora Bassa in Mozambique.
Oh.
And then, so now, this is what we are going to see, guys. We are going to see Zambezi today. I'm sure Sane's first time to
yeah,
be
it's gonna be my first time, you guys.
Yes.
It's gonna be my first time.
I don't know how it's gonna be
Yeah.
that side. So now we are starting from number 16. We want to go other way around. Instead of going to number 1, we are
Because
going
there were so many people around and we just figured we can just use this road instead.
Yes. So we are going to start from number 16, going backwards.
Yes.
That's
Please
right.
do subscribe to Shami's channel.
Yes.
It's also got a YouTube channel. It's called
Shami Scaling. Official Shami Scaling on YouTube.
Yes. Then on Facebook is there as well.
Yes, Shami Scaling. Yes. Thank you.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yes.
Crazy, man.
Dagada, not me, my guy. Wow.
So now we have joined the main route of Rainforest. We are going this way.
Wow.
You can see showers now. I don't know.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
We are going to use these things.
The raincoat,
But not yet.
Not yet, yeah?
Yeah. Sometimes we might not be wet because when it only comes when the wind is blowing from north side comes to south.
Wow. So you guys, I'm with Shami here.
Yes,
we're
you're
here
still
in
enjoying,
Victoria
guys.
Falls.
Happy.
Yes. Like me and Shami have been friends for the longest on Facebook, but we have never met.
We have never met. Just imagine.
For the longest, I think when I was still in Botswana.
Yes.
For the longest.
Yes.
So we're here in Victoria Falls.
This is Horseshoe.
Oh my God! Look at that.
Why this thing was called Horseshoe? This point was called Horseshoe just because, as you can see that side, it's like a shaped in a horseshoe.
Oh.
Shape, you know, like that part.
Oh yeah.
You know, so that's why it was called
the Horseshoe.
So it's 95 meters deep.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
So that side, we will see Devil's Pool on the other side. So you can see those people there. There's a restaurant there.
Oh, okay.
On the island there.
Oh.
Yes. Then those people will be doing Devil's Pool. Then Angel's Pool is right here, but now it's, as you can see, it's dry now.
Oh.
It's no longer there.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's horseshoe.
So beautiful, yeah?
Horseshoe shaped.
So beautiful.
Yes.
Wow. So you guys, I'm with Shami here. Wow. Beautiful, yeah?
First point. This is our first point actually.
Wow.
You can see the rocks. Yes. People of the internet.
Yes, people of the internet. Mr. Kunda. We didn't bring Mr. Kunda.
Yes, we didn't bring Mr. Kunda.
Oh. This is good. Wow.
Like this.
Yes. Hey you guys. Shopping in the beauty.
Yes.
Wow. It's so beautiful.
It's nice.
Yeah? Let's go. Okay, we go, guys.
We go.
Yes. Oh, wow. Did you see that? Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful.
So you were saying kunema groundnuts that side in Zambia.
Yeah, they are groundnuts.
Then okay, the price is so it's like you are taking from one place in Zambia going to another place in
Zambia, yeah. And transport, and it's only 50 kwacha. It's 50 kwacha transport, yeah, John.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they are sold very fast.
They are sold very fast.
Okay.
They are sold very fast.
Okay. That's a good business though.
Yeah, it is. It is kind of an maganya to shipira.
Yes, I think it's all about.
Because it's all about kushipira.
Yes.
But you know so far, but no so it and all. Yeah.
That's all that.
So it's all about kushipira. Right? No, it's good. Okay. We're good. We're fine.
So now we are heading to the danger point.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Danger point. The danger
the
point.
Name suggests, yes,
it's dangerous.
It is dangerous.
Okay.
But not as such.
Oh.
You just have to follow the prescribed way.
Okay.
Don't go off road.
Oh, all right.
Yes.
Just stay in the road.
Yes, just stay in the road.
Okay.
So that we are safe.
We are 100% safe.
Yes, we live once.
Yeah. Yes, we live once.
Yes.
Please do go and subscribe to Shami's channel.
Yes.
Yes. And click on the notification bell when you get there.
Yes.
So that you get notified every time you post a video. Because he's always here, so which means he's gonna be showing you lots and lots of places here.
Yes.
So yeah, Shami works here.
Yeah.
He works here.
So you met Tandem at Lake?
Yes, I did. I met here in Bulawayo.
Wow.
I met here in Bulawayo.
Oh.
So
now guys, showers.
Showers, yeah, lots of showers.
So these are the waterfalls will be doing like this. They like
maybe you should hold it and I should move that side so that I also be in the camera, yeah?
Yes. So you see, this thing was actually I'm sure of proper. Yes. I don't want to be wet.
Me too.
So now guys, we are wet. I may not in the big boy, yeah.
So you guys, we're here enjoying ourselves in the Victoria Falls. Look at that. Whew. Amazing. And there's like showers, some showers.
Okay, so this thing was actually, this barrier was defense. Okay. Yes, there was no barrier here. So
now picture about
no, it's under. Showers, guys, showers.
My showers, indeed. You guys.
Showers. We are enjoying, guys. We are enjoying.
We are enjoying. Look at my face. So many showers.
You know that side is $20 when you to go that side. Zambia side.
All right.
It's $20. Wow. Zimbabwe. Imagine. But
for
you don't.
Zimbabwe?
Yes, for Zimbabwe.
Why? Because this is our home.
You don't. No, in Zambia side.
It's Zambia side.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
In Zambia side.
I heard my taxi driver saying that.
Yes.
That's when
and it's a bit expensive, right?
Yeah.
A bit expensive.
Yeah. So the driver who brought me here said that.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So nice.
He was like, it's good that you are going on the side of your country because if it was here, you are going to pay Much.
So this is danger point for us.
Okay.
Ah, now it's dry.
Dry, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say up. Aywa, boom. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So I can stand here.
You can stand here and sit there.
Woo. You guys, look at me.
This is Princess Sane for you guys.
Yes. Here in Victoria Falls. Woo. I'm with Shami, you guys.
Another call.
Wow. Look at the rainbow.
But that's window.
You guys, look at this. Wow. This is so beautiful. So beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. My face is full of showers. My face is like having showers and all. Wow. Victoria Falls. Oh, this is beautiful. That's Shami over there. He's on his call because he's at work, so you have to work. Yeah. So you guys, please do subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video, and please do subscribe to Shami's channel as well. He's got a YouTube channel and he's also on Facebook, yeah?
Alright, umuntu wakhona I think wanosika kali kwaga vile wayakobhadala kali ndampa number yakhona. Alright, good. Alright.
Wow. That was nice.
That was nice.
So nice.
It's unfortunate now in the morning you can't see the rainbow.
Oh, I saw it, but I did see it the other side when I was sitting there.
Oh.
It was coming out a little bit.
Alright.
Yeah. So that's Shami, you guys.
Yes. So we are here, guys.
Yes.
Yeah. So as you can see, we are wearing it was a bit some showers, so now we are removing them.
Yes.
It's no longer useful.
It's no longer useful, yeah?
Yeah, so we are proceeding further.
Yes.
Then there's only one what do you call this activity right here in the falls, that is abseiling, view bridge, view boiling pond.
Okay.
So it was opened very soon, recently.
So
now we are going this way.
All right.
Want to see what is abseiling all about.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Huh.
Looking cold.
Ooh. Abseiling.
Yes.
All right. So you guys, we're gonna see you when we get there.
Yes, as you can see, the road is still new.
Yeah, it's still new. That's true.